Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. How nice to be checking out of a hotel mid-morning on a Monday after staying away for the weekend and not feeling that I've got to rush back home or rush back to work. Because I'm living the laptop lifestyle, as we tend to call it, using my laptop and my internet connection, really from anywhere, in the world for that matter, it means that I can actually work and journey and explore at the same time. So my wife and I have been up in Norwich and had a tremendous weekend, and what an interesting city Norwich is. So I'd encourage you to have a visit if you get a chance at some stage. But I think the message this morning really is just that reminder for me, let alone for you guys, that by using the laptop and the internet connection, you can really run your SFM business from anywhere in the world. And it's been an absolute real pleasure to do that without that pressure of feeling like I've got to get to work. I'm not working in that 9 to 5 environment anymore, and neither should you if you don't really want to. So let me leave you with that thought and just encourage you, whether you've joined the SFM and you're now on this journey, creating your own online business, or whether you're still thinking about joining SFM to start that change in your life, if you like, and have a different way of living, getting away from that 9 to 5 lifestyle, running your own business, running your own digital online business. I'm here to help people like you do that. So don't forget to reach out to me if I can help. I'll put my website address along the bottom of this video so that you've got the details so you can get hold of me if you need to. And just encourage you that if you need more information or you'd like some help, please reach out to me. I'm here to help, and hopefully I can help you to get similar levels of success that I'm enjoying too. Okay, anyway, look, have a great day. Cheers, bye.